Hey guys, welcome to a dorm tour for my summer housing. I currently live in the Caneris Hall at Drexel University, and I'm living here because I got into a summer research program here, and it came with free housing. So I live in a 6-person suite, and this video is kind of long, so I'll keep this short and we'll get started right away. When you first walk in, you have the kitchenette with fairy lights around the window area and 3 stools. And then on this side you have our living room. So up right now there are this tapestry and then the DIY flower hanging things that I did in my other room. We have the couch. And this lamp. This is our view. We get to the lovely soccer field. And then we have some plants and the rock. Outlet. A single couch. This dresser thing. Our center table with on a rug. And then we have my guitar, and I'll actually be putting a lot of my stickers on the guitar case, so that is to come. So this is the hallway to the rooms and the bathrooms. We have 2 mirrors that I found on the floor below me during move out. They're kind of dirty. Hello. So this is our kitchenette. And trash stuff is down here, but we didn't see that. We have the fridge. And then cabinet space, the sink with our drawing rack, more cabinet. I organized this before, but now it still looks organized. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. And then, yeah, that's a set cabinet here, and there's also another cabinet down here. So that's a room. This is my room. Letter B. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you guys the bathrooms. Ooh. This is a sink area. I know, look at this lovely sink. And then this is just my area that I keep my stuff in. And then there's some things like a hairdryer and the cabinet. And this is a shower room. So there's 2 stalls with 3 hooks on each side. This one, the shower head is here. This is the same dealio on this side. Across from the showers, there is the bathroom, and it is 2 stalls because this is a 6-person suite. Yes. So now back to my room. So I am in room B, and I am the number 2. So I am on the right side. Quick overview. Yes, yes. So unlike my last room, I didn't have over the door mirror, but now I found one. It was out in the dumpster during move out, so I took it. I have my Swiffer down here. It's weird that 2 closets are now next to each other, so that meant I had to put my towels on the door. And then I have like shower stuff at the top and extra boxes. Same dealio with here. I have shirts here and then pants at the bottom. And then another mirror that I took from move out. So then here is sort of my food stash. So this first drawer is all food. And these drawers I actually found when I moved in, and someone left them out near the trash, so I took them. And then we have shoes, Converse, Pumas, and then these like canvas shoes in the back. These are where my ankle boots are, along with my navy heels in the very back. And here it's just like more supplies, Ziploc bags, Swiffer thingies, and brown bags. As I'm okay. And right here I have my Converse and my slides. And these would be here if I'm wearing my slides. Then with my chair, JD-PANDA. The desk setup is sort of the same. Got my lamp, combo scissors, water bottle. I use this big mug to drink water. There's nothing in it right now though. Yikes. My computer, HP, Polaroid, this chalkboard that I found during move out as well. Didn't really know what to put on it, so this is on it right now. A power strip that is taped like this works out the best in my opinion. Got my toothbrush charger, a stress ball, my pin that I usually have on my backpack, but sometimes it falls off, so I just took it off for right now. And my drawer of supplies. Then I have my lunchbox here, because this, honestly, just an easy place to put it. And it'll remind me to pack my lunch every day for work. Then books, and Bibles, these little trinkets. This panda that I laser cut and put together. Then we have the printer and JD-PANDA baseball cap. And also for my desk, what surprised me was it has this drawer. So I have my journal. This is from January 2019 to June 2019. This is going to be July 2019 to December 2019. My like bullet journal planner style, Tombow Muji pen, and then this part also comes down. The first time I did, I didn't realize it, so it made a really loud noise. I will save your ears and not do that. This first drawer, it has the stickers that I'm going to put on my guitar case, so this drawer's pretty empty, but I'll probably find something to fill it with. This drawer is my sewing supplies, calculator, extra stuff, electronics I guess, because this one I probably have cords back here. And this is my paper, folders, journals, sketchbooks, and whatnot. So then I have just my bag right here, and extra bags, as well as my laundry bag. For clean clothes, specifically. And right in between here, I have my sewing machine. And this drawer is stuff I need to fix. This is like clothes again. And then more clothes. I also found this rug during move out and it has come into use because these tile floors are quite cold. Sometimes. So here I have dirty gym clothes because I don't want to put them in my laundry bag because I don't want them to stink it up. And sometimes I like rewear my gym clothes because I don't want more clothes to get all sweaty. I have an extra backpacking suitcase in the back. These are some clothes I got at a flea market recently. I need to wash them still. Containers of extra stuff I did for my wall and just random papers. Sewing bag, trash can and recycling, my bag of bags, my laundry detergent dryer sheets, rain boots, another box that has water bottles and extra hangers in it, and potatoes! Then we come to my fridge. I think it's organized-ish. Like, look at these sauces. Well, there's stuff like on top, but you know, you get it. And also, my roommate had like the word thingies. Ooh. Take the cheese steak outside. Okay, so I wrote random stuff. Yeah, that's me. And boom. Top of my fridge. So we got plants and a random mason jar of things. It was an art festival thing. So I just made it just to make it. These squishies. Some sunglasses. My wrist brace. No, it's not. The brightness. And my tissue box, and I have this like anti-flooring thing to prop my phone up, because when I was down on here, I couldn't hear my alarm. So I didn't just like wake up. My roommate woke up to my alarm and had to call my name. So this brings a sound to my head. So we can wake up. Then I got these pandas. And Christmas lights across the top. And this is my view. I don't know if that's blocked by the trees, so like people can't really look in, you know. In this corner I got like my prayer wall, because people are going on mission trips, so got those flips from my church. And we have one flower here. Alright, what did I say? Flower thing? Flower thing. Because there was an odd number amount that I made. And here is my Polaroid wall with random other stuff. More stuffed animals here, and my Phillies spray paint.